Hello, good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about the new experiment to construct encoder using IC 74147 and to verify its truth table. Aim of this experiment is to construct encoder using IC 74147 to verify truth table of encoder using IC 74147. List of equipment required for this experiment is DC regulated power supply 0 to 30 volt 1 ampere, digital multimeter, breadboard, single stand hookup wire, wire cutter and stripper, etc. List of electronic component with specification required for this encoder circuit. First of all, we have to take IC 74147. The encoder IC is IC 74147. The specification of this IC is decimal to BCD encoder. Quantity required is 1. After that, register we require for this experiment is 330 ohm quarter watt carbon composition fixed register. Quantity required is phone number. Another component required is LED light emitting diode, red color 5 mm, IMAX 36 milliampere. Quantity required is 4. Another component which required for this encoder circuit is switch, SPDT single pole double throw switch. Number of quantity required SPDT switch is 9 number required for this encoder circuit. Theory regarding this encoder circuit is an encoder circuit. An encoder circuit is circuit which convert an active input signal into coded output signal. IC 7417 IC 74147 is an active low decimal to BCD priority encoder. A priority encoder produces BCD output corresponding to the highest order decimal digit appearing on the input, ignoring all others. The IC 74147 convert 10 line decimal into 4 digit BCD. A set of 10 switches can be used as input device. These switches generate 0 or 1 logic level according to off or on position. When a particular number is to be fed to the digital circuit in BCD code, the switch corresponding to that number is pressed. IC 74147 has active low input and output. For example, if X1 to X9 are data input and DCBA are the 4 active database line. Out of this input, X9 input has high priority. When all data input are high, then output of encoder is 0. The pin configuration of IC 74147 decimal to BCD encoder is shown in above figure, and the circuit diagram for decimal to BCD encode is also shown in the above circuit diagram. So, please assemble this circuit on breadboard by using IC 74147 and LED registers hookup wire. The procedure for this experiment is check first of all all the pins of IC 74147, then check given resistor and LEDs by using digital multimeter. Connect all the circuit component as per circuit diagram given in the circuit diagram on breadboard by using wires. Apply plus 5 volt DC supply by using DC regulated power supply. Apply input X1 to X9 by using switch as per observation table. Verify output for each input as per observation table. Observation table for encoder circuit is given above. Conclusion of the encoder circuit is the truth table of decimal to BCD. BCD means binary coded decimal number. The truth table of decimal to BCD encoder for given logic circuit is verified, which proves that IC 74147 act as a decimal to 4-line BCD encoder. There is some assignment for you, so please note down in your copy and show me later on. These questions are very important examination point of view, so please note it down. The first question is that what do you mean by encoder? Draw the pin configuration of IC 74147. Why IC 74147 is called priority encoder? What is the use of encoder? Explain working of decimal to BCD priority encoder by using IC 74147. Draw the circuit diagram of decimal to BCD encoder by using IC 74147. Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.